What's harder than getting to the top? Staying there. While DTF Station's been pushing the innovations of direct-to-film, they're not just sitting on the laurels of their achievements. Always one step ahead of the curve, we're proud to introduce quite possibly the most sophisticated direct-to-film curing oven I've ever seen, the Phoenix Air. Now what does Air stand for? It stands for air purification, meaning this machine will require no external air purifying system. Estevan here with All American Print Supply. We just got these awesome direct-to-film ovens in. Thought we'd do a formal unboxing, go over the new features, and show you exactly how it works. Now, if you're looking for the best direct-to-film content on YouTube, you're in the right place. If you landed here as a non-subscriber, as we see many of you do, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button right now. Drop a thumbs up. If you have any questions, you go ahead and leave that in the comment section down below. Let's turn up the heat. Let's open her up. Let's go ahead, right along the side here. Nice and careful. Continuing along here, let's see what we got. Safety gloves, this is awesome. Power cord, probably important, we'll hold on to this. We got a packing sheet, quality control checklist. This one looks like a winner. Final inspection report, and the user's manual. Definitely hold on to this. We'll take a look at our settings in just a moment. Got an included tool. There may be some assembly required, stay tuned. Now we're always gonna recommend keeping all of your different packaging materials just in the event something does need to be shipped. Let's get this guy up out of here, like so. Nice and gentle, not too heavy. Let's get this box out of here. There we have it. So let's get this plastic body bag off my oven. Awesome. So it looks like the handle is already attached. Now, not pictured in the contents is going to be a 1-year manufacturer's warranty, lifetime technical assistance, as well as free instructional video on operation with this machine. What is this top hat looking thingamajigger up here? Now this fancy top hat on top of the Phoenix Air is not just because he's a distinguished gentleman. Inside is going to house an included HEPA and charcoal filtration system, eliminating the need for any sort of external air purifier. You may also notice these upgraded gas shock hydraulics, which will prop the hood of the oven open like the hood of a car and keep it that way for you. Now under here, you'll see there's no heating lamps to conduct the temperature. It's all gonna be a lower platinum contact heating, which we found to be both more consistent and more efficient. Now before we power this thing on, it's worth mentioning, this is gonna run off standard US 110 electrical and 1000 watts. I mean, it's totally safe for in-home or production usage. Let's see how it goes. Now, as far as your operation controls, everything's gonna be manned on this box right here. To set your timer, you're gonna first press this button, and then using your up or down arrows, you can enter how much time you want in seconds to dry your films. We'll go ahead and start with 60 seconds, and then press that button again to lock it in. Same thing with your temperature. I'm gonna go ahead and press this button here, and we're gonna advise a starting temperature of 284. Again, using your up and down arrows, you can control your desired temperature. When you have the setting you wish, go ahead and lock it in by pressing this button here. We'll get this guy warmed up. We'll cover the controls for the filtration system and show you just how awesome it works. Now during the break, we went ahead and used our Epson F2100 to print this direct-to-film transfer and powdered it up. Now the reason we use the DTG machine, this oven is gonna be ideal for hybrid printers who are running both direct-to-garment and direct-to-film printing. If you don't have space or a need for a large conveyor, powder, roller, shaker, dryer machine for sheet printing purposes, the oven's gonna be your best friend. Now let's see how it works. We got our starter settings already loaded in, which are once again 284 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're gonna be drying this for about 1 minute. Now, as everyone's workspace can vary from location to location, it's always gonna be advised to test your environment and see how these settings work for you. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. All we're gonna do is pop the hood on the Phoenix Air. I'm gonna carefully place my freshly printed and powdered direct-to-film transfer on the heated lower platen. Go ahead and give this a close. And then as soon as I start my timer, I'm gonna hit this switch up here. What that's gonna activate is the air purification system already connected to the oven. That means the HEPA and the charcoal filter are in action. Now it's very important, when you hear that timer end, your transfer is done curing in the oven, that you turn off that filtration system. You only want the purifier running when you're curing an actual transfer. The reason you're gonna wanna turn this off in between loading your sheets of film is to preserve the life of the internals and also stop any sort of overheating that may come from unnecessarily running the purifier. And we got about another half minute on here. We'll go ahead and let that guy finish drying in the Phoenix Air, and then we'll take a look and see how it comes out. You hear that? Timer's off, purifier's off. Right away, we don't need the purifier running if we're done drying our transfer. Let's see how it came out. Pop the hood here, nice and careful, remove our transfer. Oh my goodness, look at that. We got the textbook orange peel texture, the telltale semi-gloss finish, slightly reflecting that light. This is really exactly what you're looking for from a completed direct-to-film transfer. This guy is ready to apply. We can store this for later use. If someone else just has a heat press, you can send this to them and now they have basically a full-blown print shop, or you can sell these as a service. This is gonna be a great tool for the hybrid direct-to-film, direct-to-garment printer who will be able to take advantage of something like this, especially if you're doing any kind of DTF sheet printing. One of the main reasons I love a Phoenix curing oven is it's gonna free up your heat press. Now, if you're like me, you may have learned how to dry your direct-to-film transfers using what's called the hover method. And while this does work, my production is at a standstill. If my heat press is drying my direct-to-film transfers, it's not stamping shirts. Now, one of the great things about these ovens, aside from being a quicker and more convenient option for total hands-free curing, it's gonna be a lot more consistent. The lower platinum contact heating has been found to be the most efficient method as far as curing these direct-to-film transfers. And also, it's gonna free up your heat press to press heat, like it was meant to do. Work smarter, not harder. An auxiliary piece of equipment like a curing oven can take your small or home business operation into a full-blown print shop. Ain't no business small enough, ain't no production volume wide enough to keep us from working with you, babe. I've said it once, I'll say it again. All American Print Supply is your one-stop shop for all of your printing needs. Go ahead and drop your questions in the comment section down below. That's pretty much gonna wrap it up for this video. My name is Estevan, we're All American Print Supply. Keep on DTFing, we'll see you on the next one.